Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is Happy Bake Day. I hope you loved my recipe from last week where we made a delicious banana pudding cake trifle. If you missed that episode, of course, you can check it out right here. Today, in order to celebrate upcoming Easter and this wonderful spring season, we're going to be making carrot cake cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. This will be made in two parts. Part one is to be making our carrot cake, and part two is to make our homemade cream cheese frosting. To make our carrot cake, you're going to need the following ingredients: 2 cups of cake flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 cup of light brown sugar packed, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, 2 cups of shredded carrots, and 1 cup of pecans roughly chopped. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then, in a large bowl, you're going to combine your flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and your light brown sugar. Use a whisk to mix everything together well. Next, you'll add your vegetable oil, milk, vanilla extract, and your eggs into your dry ingredients. Again, use a whisk to mix well until there are no clumps left. Finally, you're going to add your shredded carrots and your pecans. Use a silicone spatula or a wooden spoon to gently mix in these ingredients. Next, use a scoop to scoop your batter into a muffin pan that's been lined with some cupcake liners. You're going to fill each of the cupcake liners about 3/4 of the way full. Once that's done, your cupcakes are ready for baking. You're going to bake them in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes or until a cake tester inserted into the center of your cupcakes comes out clean. Once that's done, allow your cupcakes to cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then remove them and allow them to cool completely on a wire rack. While your cupcakes are cooling, you're going to make your cream cheese frosting. For that, you'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, half a cup of unsalted butter softened, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some green gel food coloring, some orange gel food coloring, and half a cup of pecans finely chopped. In a medium bowl, you're going to combine your cream cheese and your unsalted butter. Use an electric hand mixer on medium to medium-high speed to whip them together until they're nice and fluffy. Then add your powdered sugar and your vanilla, and you're going to whip again until everything is completely smooth. Remove 2 tablespoons of your frosting and place them in a small bowl. Add a few drops of your green gel food coloring and mix until everything is one cohesive green color. Add 3 tablespoons of the white frosting to another small bowl, and you're going to add your orange gel food coloring, again mixing until a very nicely cohesive orange color forms, and then set these 2 aside. Spoon some of the white cream cheese frosting over each cupcake and use either a spoon or an offset spatula to smooth it over the top. Pour your pecans onto a small dish or a small plate, and very slowly and very carefully roll the edges of your cupcake into the chopped pecans, so that way the pecans create a nice little frame around the edge of the frosting. Place your orange frosting in a piping bag that's been fitted with a round tip, and your green frosting in a piping bag that's been fitted with a small leaf tip, and you're going to carefully pipe little carrot decorations over each cupcake. And with that, our carrot cake cupcakes are done and absolutely adorable. I love how cute these little carrots turned out on top. The orange is just so bright and happy, and the little leaf tip really adds that perfect touch to make these really look like carrots. And then the pecans here on the outside just create a really nice little picture border, add a little bit more crunch to these cupcakes. And then, of course, I had to taste one, and on the inside, that shredded carrot is divine. Again, you have some more of those chopped pecans, and it really adds a great texture, some more delicious flavor. These cupcakes are so light and fluffy. They are perfect for your Easter brunch, for your Easter dinner, for springtime, really any reason, especially if you love carrot cake, you're going to love these cupcakes. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our delicious carrot cake cupcakes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other delicious recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.